In today's video, I'm going to show you how to force restart or reset your iPhone 13. This can be really helpful if your device is unresponsive or acting up. Let's get right into it. First, let's talk about the difference between a regular start and a forced restart. A regular restart is when you simply turn off your phone and turn it back on. A forced restart is a bit more intense and can help when your iPhone is frozen or unresponsive. To force restart your iPhone 13, follow these steps. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the slide button until you see the Apple logo. You might need to hold the side button for a few seconds, so be patient. Once you see the Apple logo, you can release the button. And that's it. Your iPhone 13 should now restart. This process can fix minor software glitches and get your device back on track. If you're still experiencing issues and need to reset your settings, you can do that too. Just keep in mind that this will restore settings but won't delete your data. Tap on Settings. Go to General. Scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset iPhone. Then choose Reset All Settings. Confirm your choice and your settings will be reset to default. Remember, this won't delete any of your apps or data, but you will need to re-enter your Wi-Fi passwords and adjust your preferences. And there you have it. You now know how to force restart and reset your iPhone 13.